Hey, family, guys, first and foremost, welcome to the biggest Bigger Pockets event that's happened outside of Bigger Pockets. Let's go!
You heard us talk enough today at the seminar. We're not going to talk. We just want to say a couple of things. Hey, you know what? We got Big Boy from Outcast is like 5 blocks away. What? Yeah, legit. He's texting me right now. Let's send him a video. We got some Outcast we can play? Let's play So Fresh, So Clean real quick. Like a 5-second video where you guys just scream, and I'm going to send it to Big Boy and tell him to come over here, okay?
Yeah, So Fresh, So Clean.
On the count of 3, I want you guys to yell Outcast, okay? 1, 2, 3. Outcast!
Hey, family, guys, first and foremost, welcome to the biggest Bigger Pockets event that's happened outside of Bigger Pockets. Let's go! Look at what this community has become. Whether you're Astro flipping or Subto, what you understand is that you're brothers and sisters, and we're all in the same train. We're all doing the same thing together, and all I want to tell you guys is,
Love you, Jamil.
yeah. We love you, man! 5 years ago, Pace and I decided to go out on the road and start talking to people about what it meant to collaborate, what it meant to do what we do with everybody who instinctively is supposed to be against us. Folks have said, aren't on your side. But guess what? Every one of the people in this room right now might be your competitor, but they're your collaborator. So on the count of 3, I want you to say, collaboration over competition. 1, 2, 3.
Collaboration over competition!
Come on!
Hey man, I love Astro. Life changing. Let me tell you what. I closed my first deal and I can't stop. I'm a closing deal machine, man.
What's up with Astro?
I think it's a really dope company. You know, it's helping out along the real estate industry. Love connecting with new agents, the new socials, and you know, it's really an amazing opportunity to come out here and network as well. Oh yeah.
The most amazing mentorship in the planet. First of all, Pace Morby, everything he teaches from the heart, is about go-giving and helping others, and he instills those values in all of us leaders and all of us students. It goes nuclear. We're all there to help each other and grow.
Bro, amazing. I can't believe this many people came out in SoCal to come hang out with us two.
Hey, everybody that came out, it means the world to us, hearing all the stories, how our content is changing your life, how our community is changing your life. It means the world to us. It's what makes us show up. The emotional income that we get is unbelievable. Thank you.
I've had a hard time. I love you.